Democratisation of science is very important for the next generation because they are, of course, going to be there, the ones looking after the rest of us as we're there with our Zimmer frames in our old age homes. They'll be the ones that are actually leading and shaping society, indeed ensuring the world can carry on, not just with climate change and global warming, but also in the sense of the kind of citizens and people we're going to be. And I think that we are facing uncharted territory now, what with Second Life, with people spending 6 hours a day in front of a screen anyway. I think we're going to have challenges to our identity that previously we haven't even contemplated, as we are with the pace of technology, the change, the ability to learn on the job very quickly, no longer having the skills that you learn and then sell back to society for 40 years, which was the 20th century model. So I think that human beings are facing the same kind of challenges and the same, if you like, revolution as we are with climate change globally. But this time it's internal, to do with the mind. Now, the reason that this is crucial is because, contrary to what many think, the young mind is something that's constantly evolving and changing. It's highly dynamic, which means it's also very vulnerable. And it's very vulnerable to outside influences. So what we do know about the young brain is that although you're born with pretty much all the brain cells you'll have, it's the growth of the connections that accounts for the growth of the brain after birth. So even if you're a clone, an identical twin, you will have a unique configuration, a unique pattern of connections that are reflecting every moment of your life, your experiences. So everything that happens is leaving its mark almost literally on your brain by making the connections stronger or weaker, different patterns prospering, others on hold. And because of this, because the young mind is so malleable, so, as we know, sensitive to anything, as the Jesuits said, give me a child till he's 7, I'll give you the man. Because of this, it's crucial that we get the environment right. It's crucial that we create the kind of ambience that we feel will deliver the kind of citizen that we want for the 21st century. Now, of course, it's a big question. What do we want them to learn? What kind of person do you want your kids or your grandchildren to be? What kind of skills must they have? We have to start as a society thinking about these questions because there's no automatic answer, and we can't look back in history for an answer because there's never been times like now. So we have to really start thinking, not leaving it to chance, and certainly not just sleepwalking into this amazing new century, thinking it's the 20th century.